Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Conveyor AI app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Conveyor AI is a productivity and content automation app built to help teams create, manage, and review marketing content using artificial intelligence. It's designed for marketing teams, agencies, and content creators who want to streamline their workflows, generate AI-driven drafts, and collaborate faster across projects. The app offers tools like content calendars, automated copywriting, brief generators, and version tracking, all in one place. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users say the app offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface and significantly reduces time spent on repetitive content tasks. The AI-generated content is often surprisingly on point, especially for social media captions, emails, and product descriptions. Collaboration features also get a thumbs up. Team members can leave feedback, track changes, and maintain consistency across projects. But like any tool, it's not without flaws. Some users feel the AI outputs occasionally need heavy manual editing, especially for niche industries or complex topics. Others mention slight performance hiccups when handling large-scale campaigns or switching between multiple projects. Integration options are decent but may feel limited if you rely on specific external platforms. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Conveyor AI is worth exploring if you're part of a content-focused team looking to save time and boost efficiency. It combines AI tools with team collaboration features in a way that can seriously improve workflow. However, if you need highly specialized or deeply technical content, you might still need a human touch to polish the output. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.